We're brothers, Jimmy. You realize that? And brothers protect each other. You have to be hard now. They're coming. Can you run?
My name is Major William Stryker. Look, you can stay here, locked up, like freaks of nature. Or you can join me.
Intruder! We're in the breach! Hand me weapons!
Fred?
The tank.
The tank.
Yeah, I got that.
Bradley, top floor, please.
I wouldn't do that if I was you, brother.
Where did you find it? I want the source.
A small village, far inland, 3 days from here.
Tell him everyone here will die unless he tells me where he found the rock.
Ogni obola na iba karaun, igura ani. Ama member se potezu. Don't even think about it. We didn't sign up for this.
What are you doing? We finally got a good thing going here. Don't you screw this up.
I'm done. You coming?
Jimmy!
Victor.
Aren't you gonna invite me in?
Tell me.
I got. Haven't aged a day.
Clean living. Have a job. I already have a job.
Lumberjack. 18 grand a year?
18.5. Plus, I haven't had to kill anyone.
Bradley was killed 3 days ago. Wait, before that, I believe that someone is hunting down our old team.
I can take care of myself.
This is not about you, Logan.
You show up, and the next day she's dead.
Victor's appetites were becoming too public. I had to lock him up. He felt I betrayed him. When AWOL, he said he was coming after all of us. I can give you the tools to defeat him. We're going to make you indestructible. But first, we're going to have to destroy you. Metal compound so strong that you will be able to withstand virtually anything. It's called adamantium. We're about to begin bonding adamantium to weapon exoskeleton.
Survive this?
I don't know.
200. Heart rate rising.
Adamantium reservoir is depleted.
Bonding works. We'll use his DNA for the 11. Erase his memory. Hunt him down. Take his head off.
Travis.
Son, what in the hell are you doing? You're not on the drugs, are you? No. Just had a rough night.
Yeah, you did say that.
Don't want you giving the old lady a heart attack.
Can't thank you both enough for
Wouldn't have been decent to leave you out there to freeze. You sleep okay?
Yeah.
This was my son's jacket. Try it on.